Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to AirPlay from a Mac to a TV. Step 1, in the Mac menu bar, select the control center icon. Step 2, in the control center, choose a screen mirror. Step 3, to start displaying your Mac's screen on your TV, select Apple TV or the name of your smart TV. Step 4, to stop AirPlay, return to the screen monitoring menu and select display preferences. Step 5, in macOS 12, choose display settings in the windows that open. The process differs from here slightly in macOS 11 as shown below. Step 6, in macOS 12, select disconnect to stop AirPlay, choose turn to close the window. In macOS 11, turn off AirPlay by selecting display preferences in the screen mirroring window, then use the menu next to AirPlay display to select off. For macOS 14, go to Control Center, select Screen Mirroring, then click the TV you want to disconnect from. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.